Hello, I am Professor Kakre Ramesh Machindra. Subject name is Service Marketing, and second chapter name is Traditional Marketing Mix Elements in Service. So, including next point, service quality. What is meant by service quality? When defined the concept of service quality, one should always start with the customer, as quality is the most important factor for customers, and also it is their basis of their opinion, which will be then result in the fact that service quality is achieved if the customer expectation are achieved. So means while doing the service product design process, a significant element is the service quality, as it influences the volume of the demand for a given service product as well as customer profile of this service product. The most significant position tool of service provided and their often offer of the service market in the service quality. That is most important point is service quality. And next one is principle of service quality. What is the principle of service quality? Principle of service quality means the process used for goods in evaluating service different from the process used by customer. Goods tend to be the high in search qualities, whole service tend to be high in expected quality of experience. So, first one is search qualities. What is in by search qualities? Search qualities are attributes the consumer can evaluate to purchasing a service or good. Items such as color, style, fit, feel, smell, and price are found including in the search qualities. Some products such as shoes, jeans, washing machine, cars are high in search quality. Raw material component parts of office supplier means business goods also tend to be the high in search quality. Customer can easily evaluate the quality of goods superior to the purchasings of the in high search quality. So next one is experience quality. What is meant by experience quality? Experience quality are that consumer can evaluate only during or after the consumption process. Food, catering, service, meals, entertainment, and customized surgery are the service high experience quality. Under the business service, some service which are high experience include law service, delivery service, etc. Only after the service has been consumed or during the process of consumption, evaluation takes place. For example, a meal at the restaurant can only evaluate once it is the eaten by and not before. That is experience qualities. So next one, credence quality. Qualities are attributes that consumer have difficulty evaluating even after the consumption is complete. Consumer service such as accountant service, education, and are example of the service high in qualities. Example in the business sector would include the financial advice and advertising service. Few consumers have a medical knowledge or tax knowledge to judge if the service provided performance that the service properly same true of business trying to the evaluate consumption or advertising service. Clearly evaluating service high in credence qualities in difficult. So principle of service qualities including search quality, experience quality, and credence quality. It's the most important part of principle of service quality. So next one is methods of measuring service quality. What is meant by methods of measuring service quality? That is, measurement is most important in the quality. So Different measurement criteria are required from different concepts such as service quality, customer satisfaction, customer perception and expectation and loyalty. Means which assessing the concept they will need use different measuring scale, scope of the opinion, attitude and behavior. Some current methods of measurement customer expectation and customer perception are survival, critical incident, technique observation studies, focus group discussion, and in depth interview evaluate the methods in the terms. High relevant and appropriate for the service marketing is the different concept. So, first one is the gap model. What is meant by gap model? So, gap model means develop a concept model of the service quality where the identify five gaps that could impact in the consumer evaluation of the service quality for different industries. So first one, gap first, consumer expectation management perception gap means service firm may not be always understand what features service must have in the order meet consumer needs and what level of the performance on those features are needed to the bring delivery high quality and service. This result is affecting the of consumer evaluate the service quality. So next one, gap 2, management perception service quality specification gap means this gap arises when the company identifies what the consumer want to be the measurement delivery to expectation does not exist. Some factors the affect this gap could be resource, market condition and management indifferentiation. This could affect the service quality perception of the consumer. So next one, gap 3, service quality specification service delivery gap. So means companies could have guideline for the performing service well and treatment consumer correctly, but this do not the mean high service quality performance is assured. Employment employee play an important role in the assuring good service quality perception and their performance cannot be standardization. This affect the delivery of service which has impact on the way consumer perceives service quality. So next one, gap 4, service delivery external communication gap. What is meant by external communication gap? External communication can affect not only consumer expectation of service but also consumer perception of the delivery service. Companies can be to the inform consumer of the special effect to the assure quality that are not visible to them the and this could influence service quality and perception by the consumer. So next one, gap 5, expected service perceived service gap means from their study it should that the key insurance good service quality is meeting or exceeding what consumer from the service and that judgment of high and low service quality depends on the how consumer perceives you and actual performance in the context of what they expected. That is the expected service perceived service gap. So next one, survival model. What is meant by survival model? So one must make sure of the understanding what do measurement before starting the measurement process. When doing the comparison between the expected of the pursued service, it is important to find out what the measurement use of the expected service that become the basis in the such comparison. So including point is the assurance. First is the assurance. What is meant by insurance? It include knowledge, competence of the consultancy with the employee, and their ability of the trust and confidence in their consumer towards service firm involve the politics, respect, friendliness, honesty, and trust is the contact of the personal. So next one is the tangible. What is meant by tangible? Tangible includes the physical facility, equipment, person, personal and communication material. The organization physical facility, their equipment, appearance of the service personnel, and the communication material used to promote their product public service are also included. So next one is responsiveness. What is meant by responsiveness? It refers to the willing of the organization employee to help customer by the providing them with promote service. So next one is reliable. What is meant by reliability? The organization promise to perform the service depending and accurately the service is performed. Right, the service time itself, hours is the communicative. That is the reliability. So next point is critical incident model. What is meant by critical incident model? That is, it facilitates the identification, its specific attributes, the service which have the significant impact upon the customer, and this can be used to redesign the service delivery system around the more important customer perceived quality of attributes. So next one, so service quality including part of the principle of service quality and methods of measurement service quality. So including part of gap model, cyber model, critical incident model, it is the most important process of the service quality. So thank you so much.